Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world, exploring the intricate web of life that surrounds us. I'm your host, David, and today we're going to talk about a rather sobering topic, the intersection of human and animal health. As we've seen time and time again, the boundaries between species can sometimes become blurred, with consequences that are both fascinating and frightening. In recent days, news has emerged from the United States of a second human death in 2025 attributed to bird flu, specifically a rare strain known as H5N5 avian influenza. This event is noteworthy not only because it highlights the ongoing risk of zoonotic diseases, those that can jump from animals to humans, but also because it underscores the complex and often unpredictable nature of viral evolution. The case in question involves an older adult with underlying health conditions who had been hospitalized since early November. Tests conducted by the University of Washington confirmed the presence of H5N5, a variant previously unreported in human infections globally. The source of exposure is believed to be a backyard flock of mixed domestic birds, emphasizing the potential risks associated with close contact between humans and animals, especially in settings where biosecurity measures may not be as stringent as they are in commercial poultry operations. This incident follows another reported earlier in the year in Louisiana, where a person died after contracting H5N1, a different strain of bird flu. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, has recorded over 70 human cases of bird flu in 2025 alone, a stark reminder of the vigilance required to monitor and respond to outbreaks of zoonotic diseases. On a global scale, the World Health Organization has documented more than 1,000 cases of bird flu in humans across 25 countries since 2003. While the risk of transmission between people is currently considered low for these strains, the potential for avian influenza viruses to evolve into forms that could spread more easily among humans is a concern that public health officials and scientists continue to monitor closely. As we navigate the complex landscape of human-animal interactions, it's crucial to recognize both the benefits and the risks. While keeping backyard flocks can provide a sense of connection to nature and a source of fresh eggs, it also requires a deep understanding of biosecurity practices to minimize the risk of disease transmission. The story of bird flu serves as a poignant reminder of our place within the natural world, a world where species are interconnected and where human actions can have profound impacts on ecosystems. As we strive to understand and mitigate the risks associated with zoonotic diseases, we must also acknowledge the beauty and diversity of life on Earth and work towards a future where humans and animals can coexist in harmony. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we're exploring the fascinating stories that connect us with the natural world. Today, we've been on quite a journey, from the intricate adaptations of wildlife to the remarkable feats of human endurance. Speaking of which, our next story takes us to the scorching deserts of Namibia, where an ultra-marathon runner has achieved something truly extraordinary. Imagine running 230 kilometers in temperatures soaring as high as 53 degrees Celsius. For most of us, just the thought of such conditions would be daunting, but for Alex Welch from Cheshire, it was a challenge he couldn't resist. Having previously conquered the Arctic tundra in Sweden, where he became the youngest ever winner of the Beyond the Ultimate Ice ultramarathon, Alex sought to push his limits once again in a vastly different environment. What's truly inspiring about Alex's story isn't just his physical prowess, but his desire to challenge himself in an alien landscape. He spoke about wanting to grow and test his capabilities in conditions far removed from the rainy Manchester streets where he usually trains. The desert, with its unique set of challenges, including lions, snakes, and spiders, presented a formidable yet captivating arena for Alex's adventure. As we delve into the world of ultra-marathons, it's not just about the individual achievements, it's also about the camaraderie among participants. Alex highlighted the bond formed with fellow runners from around the globe, a testament to how shared experiences can transcend borders and backgrounds. The fact that he plans to continue pushing his boundaries, with future races in the jungle and mountains, shows an unquenchable thirst for adventure and self-discovery. Alex's journey serves as a powerful reminder of human resilience and our innate desire to explore and understand our place within the natural world. As we listen to stories like Alex's, we're reminded that the boundaries between human achievement and nature are often blurred, with each influencing and inspiring the other in profound ways. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, let's venture into the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a realm of unparalleled biodiversity and ecological significance. The Amazon has been at the forefront of global conservation efforts, with deforestation being a major concern. However, there are glimmers of hope as innovative technologies and initiatives are being employed to protect and restore this vital biome. Imagine walking through a lush forest, the sounds of exotic birds filling the air and the scent of blooming flowers enveloping you. This is what the Amazon rainforest has to offer, but it's facing numerous threats, including deforestation and climate change. The good news is that there are companies like ReGreen, an ecological restoration firm, using AI, drones, and other technologies to restore forests in the Amazon and Atlantic forests in Brazil. Their approach is not just about planting trees, it's about restoring entire ecosystems. They use drones to survey land, identify areas with the highest potential for restoration, and then apply intensive interventions where necessary. This includes planting native species and removing invasive grasses that degrade the land. The result is a forest that's not only rich in biodiversity, but also provides local communities with jobs and opportunities for entrepreneurship. One of the most exciting aspects of ReGreen's work is their use of technology to make restoration more efficient and accessible. By leveraging AI and drones, they can analyze vast datasets, identify the best areas for restoration, and even plant seeds in hard-to-reach locations. This approach has allowed them to restore over 17,000 hectares of land, with a remarkable conversion rate of just 1.5%. But ReGreen is not alone in this effort. The Brazilian government, under President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, has launched initiatives like the Tropical Forests Forever facility, aimed at protecting vital biomes like the Amazon. And with deforestation rates falling by 11.08% in the past year, there's a sense of momentum building around conservation efforts. As we look to the future, it's clear that technology will play a critical role in restoring and preserving our natural world. By making access to technology more affordable and accessible, we can empower local communities and conservationists to take action. The story of ReGreen and their work in the Amazon is a testament to the power of innovation and collaboration in driving positive change. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.